friends, welcome to Creating with Jovi and 100 Days of Pockets. Today is day 82 and I have created a slide-in side tuck pocket. If you would like the instruction booklet on how to create all of these pockets, check out my description box. There's a link to Cindy's Ko-Fi shop and that will take you to the booklet. Today you are going to need a book page or decorative paper. I'm going to use this. Glue or tape, scissors or a trimmer, ink or washi tape. So my friends, you might remember yesterday that I created this little accordion belly band. And this is going to be for a mini journal. Okay, this is splatter paint, so no worries. So I figured we would do the slide-in side tuck pocket over on this side. What do you guys think about that? And I figured I would go ahead and use this. This is part of my Cozy Autumn printable kit, and this is going to be used in the Gratitude collab. That's going to run is it going to be Thursday? I think that's going to run every Thursday in the month of November. It's an open collaboration, so if you'd like to join in, please feel free to do so. I'm going to have freebies in my Facebook group, which is Creating with Jovi Journals and Crafts. And Cindy is probably going to have freebies too, so be sure to check out her channel, Cindy A. Lewis, okay? So what you're going to want to do is cut a strip of paper, and the bigger your journal, the wider your strip of paper that you want. Mine is not that wide because my journal page, is not that wide. So just do it according to whatever size journal that you're working in. The next thing you're going to do is take that and flip it over. And you're going to glue just 3 sides. You're going to glue your top and your bottom. And then you're going to glue the side that goes along the side of your journal page. And then you're going to take that and you're going to put it down right on the edge of your journal page. This creates a wonderful side tuck spot. All right, my friends, and now we can just take and tuck a little tag in there or whatever you'd like to tuck in there. You could be a little note or just... Okay, my friends, our finishing touch is going to be since we added this green to this side, let's go ahead and add a little strip of it over here as well. Now, this may or may not end up being a center signature. I have another cute faux stamp from the kit, and so here it is. It's got a cute little mushroom on it, and I'm going to go ahead and pop this right here as a nice little embellishment. And then I'm going to grab this little tag, and I'm going to pop this right in our side tuck. And that's it, my friends. That is our slide-in side tuck pocket for day 82. I hope you'll join us. If you haven't already, you sure still can. There's plenty of days left still. Feel free to post stuff in my and Cindy's Facebook groups. And go over to Cindy's channel today and check out what she's making. Thanks for watching. See you soon.